Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed the exercise of 12th chapter of science, water. In that video, we have discussed the exercise A and B. Now in this video, we will solve exercise C. For that, open page number 86 of your textbook. Now let us see. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where do we get water from? Name any 3 sources. आपल्याला पाणी कुठून भेटते आणि त्याचे सोर्सेस कोणते आहे? The answer is we get water from rain. And the 3 sources of the water are river, ocean, pond, or you can also write the lake. Then second question. List any 4 uses of water. वॉटरचे कोणतेही 4 uses आपल्याला या ठिकाणी राईट करायचे आहे. So we can write there. Water is needed for cooking. Second, water is needed for bathing and cleaning. Third, water is needed for washing. And fourth, water is needed to stop a fire. In this way, you can write any 4 uses of the water. Question number 3. Name any 2 things you can use to store water at home. Now, its answer is you can store water at home in buckets, tanks, pots and pans. Question number 4. How is water useful for animals and plants? म्हणजेच वॉटर हे ॲनिमल आणि प्लांटसाठी कशा प्रकारे युजफुल आहे, उपयोगी आहे. And the answer is animal needs water to live and do many things. Plants need water to live and make their own food. Now question number 5. Why should we drink clean water? आपण स्वच्छ पाणी का प्यायला पाहिजे? And the answer is we should drink clean water because drinking dirty water can make us ill. तर अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला जे आहे ते आन्सर्स तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज कॉपीमध्ये सॉल्व करायचे आहे. I will send the answer on the group. Okay then bye, see you.